Watch this video before you buy. I was expecting this product has to be good. Welcome to our channel, guys. I hope you all are having a great time. I am Subbu and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are Explainer HD, and today we are having one more unboxing for you. So this is a USB smart battery charger. For my batteries, I bought this. These are Sony batteries, so we will unbox after this. We wanna open this charger. Let's do the unboxing without wasting a time. Okay, so here we get the instruction manual. It's written in Mandarin and English both, so it's easy to understand all the functions. So we will look at this later. Let's open the package. Okay, so here we get this. So this is the USB charger. So you can charge this with the USB. So you can see this. We got the cable inside this, and here we plugged, and this will go to our adapter. So we will look this later, and let's unbox our batteries. So we have one more unboxing for you guys in this, just because of this is for the batteries. So we have one more unboxing. These are our batteries. Okay, so here we have the batteries. I ordered this. Okay, so friends, I'm using this product from last 3 weeks and I found a big problem in this. Actually, the problem is it don't charge the batteries completely. I don't know, maybe there is a cutoff problem, because when I keep these batteries on charging, right now it's indicating, I don't know you can see it or no, it's indicating that charging is going on, but I'll show you the demo. Just a moment, let me fix this batteries. You can see it's charging right now, and right now the time is 10:02. So the time check is 10:02 a.m. and we will see this batteries how it's get charged. See, the the first battery is indicating that it's already charged 2 points. The main problem is that when it's get complete charge and we unplug this wire and plug again, it start charging from the bottom level again. So this is the problem. If you want to buy this product, please do not buy, because this is not good charger. It's not giving a full charge to the batteries. It's giving maybe a 10 or 15% charge to the batteries, and after that automatically the charging get disconnected. There is an auto cutoff. Maybe because of auto cutoff the charging getting off. I don't think this is a good product for the charging. Right now you can see the charging is going on. We will see you after 1 hour. So after 1 hour we will I'll show you that how it happens. Okay, so friends, you can see the time is 10:25 and we started on 10:02 or 3. Right now you can see the battery showing full charge. Only in 20 or 25 minutes it's showing full charge, and it always shows like this. And when we check the batteries is charged or no, it doesn't show any type of charging, maybe only 10% it gets charged. Now I will unplug this. Right now it's off, and when I plug it again, it indicates charging. So this is the problem with this charger, and the batteries don't get charged full. So it's really frustrating for me. Then yeah, it's good that they have here the indicators for getting full charge, or maybe here are so many indicators. I don't know what they are for, but the batteries are not getting charged full. So this is the problem with this charger. Do not buy this charger. If you plan to buy, watch this video before you buy. And this is the review of this charger. Thank you for joining with us. I hope you get the product review. The product review didn't came good. I was expecting this product has to be good, but it's complete waste of money. Do not buy this product if you are planning to buy. And thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel, like this video. If someone want to buy this product, please share with him before he buy. In the description, but do not buy this product. Even the link is in the description. That's it for today's video and review. Thanks for watching. Stay aware, stay conscious, and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.